Well, good morning. Beautiful day here. We're gonna get a little bit of work done this morning here at the shop. We're a little short-handed right at the moment, so we're having a little bit of a hard time getting all these trailers all ready to go for customers. And so my boys and I are here this morning, and we're gonna get some trailers ready. I did these here yesterday morning. And so we're going to get out here and we're going to get some of these all put together. When they come to us, they don't have all the tires on them. They don't have the gates on them. They don't have some of the hitches and the jacks. And they got all this lumber on top of them so that they can stack together and they can get as many of them as they can on a semi-load. But it's just something that we put them together when they get here and get them all ready to go out and go for sale. So we're going to try to get 4 trailers done this morning. We have them that a couple of them that customers need, so we're going to try to get them ready. But beautiful morning here, Western Colorado. Nice, cool morning. But yeah, we're going to go build some trailers. New stuff that just came in yesterday. Got to get that unloaded today too. So the boys already put one trailer in. That's a trailer that's going to be sold. We've just got to get it all ready to go, and then they're going to come and pick that trailer up. We're going to grab 3 more here, and they're going to get them all lined up here, ready to go, and then we're going to get some trailers built. There's Emmett. The other one, he'll be coming here in just a second. So one of the last parts of this, we assembled all those trailers, and we now have them. I got one pulled out here on the concrete, and any of these trailers that have electric brakes on them, we have to adjust those brakes before they go out to a customer. So the problem that we run into is they come semi-adjusted from the factory, but what we're looking for is when a customer hooks up to this trailer to take it home, that it's ready to go. And so these are automatic adjust brakes, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the skid steer and we're going to take the brake controller deal and turn it on, and we're just going to move the trailer forward and back and forward and back and forward and back. And you might be able to hear, you might not, you'll hear the brakes ratcheting to adjust up and adjust up and adjust up, and they might get to the point where they lock up on the concrete. They might not. If you read the manuals on them, they'll tell you that they need banished in, that they need to be pulled for X amount of time to wear that brake in good, but and get them to set real well. But we just want them set up so that when the customer gets them, they're ready to go. So I'll show you how that all goes, and then we'll go from there. So once we got them all kind of done, we were able to bring those back here, and once we get them back here, we kind of go through them and we get all these boards off of them and get them all cleaned up and get them all ready to go, and they get a bath. And then that's going to be kind of it for those. Once we get them done like that, we take them, and I have a gal that comes and they take pictures of all this, and we write them all up for the lengths and the widths and what options that they come with. And once that part gets done, then they get set up for sale until somebody comes and gets them. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.
If you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe.